Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung supports NFC and you have any required app like Samsung Pay or a wallet installed. Open Settings and go straight to Connections. Toggle NFC on so the system advertises its radio. Once done, make sure smart tags or other phones are nearby to test. Remove obstructive cases because the coil sits near the back camera area. You should see an NFC icon in the status bar. That indicates the hardware is active and ready for pairing or reading. You now learn how to read or write. Bring the tag or another phone close to the approximate center of your phone's rear and hold steady. When the UI responds, follow on-screen prompts to open a URL, save contact info, or authorize a payment. That process confirms data exchange and security prompts. If writing a tag, use an NFC Writer app, choose the record type, and initiate the write while holding the phone near the tag until the app confirms success. You finish by confirming the transaction or action completed. Look for a confirmation message, sound, or app response. After successful use, consider turning NFC off to save battery and reduce accidental taps. If something goes wrong, first reboot the phone, then re-enable NFC and retry. Make sure tags are not damaged, another app isn't blocking NFC, and that permissions for the wallet or reader app are allowed. If problems persist, test with a different tag or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.